The light reflects off them beautifully. Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make this earring cast out of aluminium sheet. Let's get started. Just draw your desired shape onto the foil. Let's just make a little pairing partner for this guy. Keep it close to the edge to save us some cutting time. This little vise here as well, bought it on Amazon. Absolutely great for beginners like myself. Jewellery saw, Amazon. I'll leave all the links in the description below. I apologise for the sound this is going to make. That will do for now. It doesn't have to be perfect because next thing is we're going to sand. To make everything a little bit tidy. Also, when you're cutting your aluminium, use one of these metal cutters. It's great working with this because it's so easy to manipulate and try and use round movements. Think about the shape while you're directing when you're sanding. As I said, it doesn't have to be, the shape doesn't have to be perfect because it's more of an abstract, arty, fashion kind of jewellery that I'm going for. As I said, the shape is okay if it's not perfect, but the lines should be perfect as you can, because when we start manipulating it, this is all going to change, but it's going to keep a nice composition. That looks about right. Okay, so next step is to start bending the metal. First of all, find out where your top is. So that is about there. This one is definitely not the same, but that's okay. It still looks nice. For this design, I bent the lines this way first, straight down, and then you can bend them slightly at an angle next. So after you do the lines horizontal, do them at an angle at 45 degrees. And then you can even go back and do the 90-degree angle if you want. Kind of gives like a, I'm getting like zebra vibes. Just keep working at it until you're happy with the design. I give a slight little scratch here which I'm not really liking, but I think that could be smoothed out after the casting. You could just polish the metal after it's casted. They're actually quite similar but slightly different as well, which is a good thing. You can also just do a casting and duplicate the one you like if you want them identical. Get your pen and mark the hole. Jewellery drill. Use your jewellery drill. Use your jewellery drill. Sorry, my Scottish accent does not say those words. That is out of my vocabulary. And there you go. Earrings made out of aluminium. Take these to your caster, or if you do it yourself, even better. A nice thin mold where you can cast your steel. Easy to make, beautiful textures. Like, can you imagine them in solid silver? The light reflects off them beautifully. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. see you in the next video. Cheers. If you want to see more of my wax castings, you can check these out. These are ready for casting. Very abstract wax molds. This is very nice. Nice pendant or even a nice ring.